Double-digit thousands back. What's up, peeps? This is your boy SOLIDJEFFRO W, and today's video is a different video. Yeah. So, oh, you're over here. So we're going to be making pizza.
Pizza time.
Yeah. You know, I love how our word thinks sometimes, how to make pizza. Well, all you need to do is go to your local supermarket and go buy yourself a box of pizza, which is basically, it looks like this shit. Or you can get one that doesn't look like this shit. You can get varieties of this type of shit. Mainly what it tells you in the back of the box is, you know, preheat the oven for like 425. If you have a really high density heat oven, I mean, I would say just put it at 400. Don't go above that because you don't want to burn the fucking pizza. What I normally suggest when you're making pizza is get yourself a box of aluminum foil. But if you get the wrong one, whatever you do, do not pick up some cheap ass shit like this, okay? Get the ones that say non-stick, which are these bad boys right here, okay? Don't worry, I'm not sponsored by Reynolds wrap, but if they want me to sponsor them, go with them because they are the best. But unfortunately, I got aluminum foil, the cheap signature homemade one. I'm using that right now for the pizza. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the pizza box right here. Don't mind the dishes because I'm a hot mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the pizza places over here. Right now, as you can see, the numbers right now are fluctuating as we speak right now. So it's gonna go up to 400 pretty soon, and we're gonna go ahead and speed this up.
A few moments later.
So you got your pizza box. Go ahead and open up the contents. Take it out. Pain in freaking ass. Alright, most pizzas, they usually come like this, wrapped up. Alright, so what you do is get your nice knife. Yeah, this is a knife.
That's a knife.
Go on the back of the pizza. Never go on the front of the pizza, because when you open up from the front, sometimes you'll hit the pieces up here and it'll get all stupid and gets messy. So I always open it up from the back.
That's what she said.
Alright. There we go. Open from the back. Go like this. And voila. Okay. There goes your pizza. Okay. Now we're gonna simply place it right over here. And we're simply just gonna go like that. That's it, guys. That's all you gotta do. Wait for that timer to go to 400. Stick it in the oven. And just basically wait 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so we're back now, guys. Just waiting for this to hit 400. Most of the times it has a little beeping sound. So there we go. So now what we're gonna do is take this pizza right here. We're gonna put it right in the oven, okay? Be careful, guys. Don't touch the oven because it is hot. Make sure you put the overhead light on. And if you guys don't have a overhead light, get an oven that actually has one, okay? Don't be cheap, okay? Because if you don't have one, you're a schmuck. Alright, so we're going to take this bad boy on the side, right? And we're going to shift it down here, okay? Just because of the fact that it'll actually become a little crispy. But if you want it to be like somewhere medium, grab yourself a nice big fat glove, all right? And if you want to pull the tray out, you can. I usually suggest to do two hands with this, but right now I'm doing it with one. And put it on the middle edge and let it cook and sit there, okay? Because if you keep it on the lower end, it might burn, it might cook 10 times quicker, but if you keep it in the middle, it'll actually cook magnifique. So right now we're gonna give this about 12 minutes max. So I'll see you guys in 12 minutes.
11 minutes later.
Okay guys, so I just got the pizza out of the oven. Now it looks really, really yummy. Always before taking the pizza out, make sure you turn off that timer. Make sure it's cleared. Make sure you press it off. There's no other numbers besides the clock on there, just to be safe, for a safety precaution, okay? Now, reason why I say between 12 to 15 minutes, I don't know if I said 15 minutes before, but you're gonna take, like, you know, a little spatula and go underneath the pizza. Now, if you have a thin pizza like what I have right now, you wanna do it nice and smooth, because this is the actual aluminum foil. It's not the non-stick one. So if you get the non-stick, it's gonna wind up sliding all over the place, and you can just lift it up. But if you wanna just lift it up halfway, and if it has that little crisp to it at the bottom, that means it's fully cooked and it's ready to go. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up right in the face. Make sure you hit that subscribe button listed down below, that little red rectangular button. Click that. Just click on it, okay? Hit that bell notification icon so you never miss another video like this one. And if you guys enjoy my gaming videos as well, like Soul Calibur, Resident Evil, and all that other stuff, be sure to watch more videos coming out soon in the near future. This is your boy, SOLIDJEFFRO. I'm out. Peace out.